Hello friends, welcome to 25th episode of Harmonic Traders. This is your Arun N. I am a SEBI registered research analyst. These are the weekly ORT numbers for Nifty. We have sell around 14,639 with stop loss of 14,728. The target one is 14,550. We have ORT buy around 1471. The stop loss is 13,960. Risk is 111 points. Thereby the target one is same 111 points. And technically it is 14,182. ORT is positional and the SL is always on day candle close. If you are a safe player, you can always exit on 15-minute candle close. Do remember you have to consider the strikes of 100 and not 50 for Nifty. Note down the numbers and be ready to witness the magic in this coming week. If you are very much interested in ORT, you could join our artificial intelligence channel Stock Times. There you get a lot of free ORT calls, and we do have screeners and scanners as well. Do join this free Telegram channel and get benefited. These are the past performance of Nifty ORT. So we started sharing Nifty ORT numbers in November 2020 in our YouTube. And as on date, more than 8,200 points are completed. So these are the past record. Last 2 weeks, we didn't have any ORT triggered. So it was like a huge gap down opening, and ORT numbers, the buy numbers were invalid in first 15 minutes of market opening. And we didn't get an entry in sell. Let's hope we get entry in ORT this particular week. And all the updates of ORT, whether it has got active and how to trial, you can check in our Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel, Harmonic Traders. Kindly join in this channel for free calls and for free learning. ORT technically it has completed 459% return, single lot Nifty. And if you need the ORT Excel to do the calculation by yourself and take care of your stocks and the related ones, kindly register in our website, and you will be getting the ORT Excel to your registered email ID or phone via WhatsApp within 48 working hours. The details of these are mentioned in description of this particular video, and you could make use of it. With respect to investment picks, we have ACC, Pidilite, Oberoi Realty, and Asian Paints. The numbers are Oberoi Realty, you can add 30% here 460, another 30% here 420. The major support is 330. The targets are 590, 720. ACC, you can add 30% near 1710, another 30% near 1640. The major support is 1580. The targets are 1840 and 1970. Pidilite, you can add at 1686, 1616. The final support is 1536. Asian Paints, you can add 30% near 2360, another 30% near 2330, and the major support is 2209. The targets are 2510, 2650. If you are a dedicated investor, you could join in our HT Investor channel. It's free, and you could check the details like how to join HT Investors for free in description of this particular video. And these are the past performance of our investment charts. So we do have charts where the returns are more than 150%, 500% return, and there are stocks which even doubled, especially the Bs. So all these charts were available in our investment channel for free, where we share only the investment charts, the active status. The net cumulative return is 1179% in our investment charts. So far, we have shared 34 investment charts, and the average return is 26.8%. Astro, we have updated the Astro alert in our website under this particular link. If you're an Astro lover, kindly bookmark this link and make use of it. These are the Astro status for this particular week. PRT, successfully we have completed 200% return. So what is PRT? Potential reversal time. So that is a time like which is shared to our dedicated PRT channel members well before the market opening. So we share the time when Nifty and the entire market is going to reverse. Of course, we do trade with SL, and for PRT, Nifty, the stop loss is always fixed. It is 41 points. The last working day, Nifty PRT got the swing high. So from 430, Nifty made off 14,283. This is how PRT looks. So April 23rd, around 8 a.m. the PRT time were shared. So how to trade on PRT? It is taught to our PRT paid members. How to derive PRT and how to effectively trade on that is covered in our GAN classes. So Nifty was trading higher and it started to fall from our PRT time, and from there Nifty never turned back. Okay, from 14,430 it made low of 14,273, and of course profits were booked by our PRT paid members. This was our option free call. Option free calls we do share only in our Twitter. So Wipro, it was given as a hero or zero call. So there was a double bottom and more than 5,000 plus single lot profit was available from this particular chart. And it was shared on Twitter on April 22. So if you're an option lover, you could follow us in our Twitter. This is our Twitter handle, Harmonix T. You could follow us here for free option calls. In options, never ever average and always trade with small SL. So far, we have completed 6,000 plus return in the last 3 months in option buying in our free calls, and all the free calls were shared in our Twitter. Okay, so these are the recent highlights of April. So if you want to learn how to trade in options, how the option calls are generated, how PRT is derived, kindly join in our GAN classes to know all those stuff. And our students have already completed 32 plus lakh profit from their own charts after the classes are completed. So for details on GAN class, you could WhatsApp me over this particular number 9791040416, or you could reach us in our website. You could chat with us over using this particular link, or you can send a message in WhatsApp. With respect to Bank Nifty, April 16th, we said the wave 5 is done and Harmonix buy is active, and the Bank Nifty is going to be buy in all the dips. So this was shared in our Telegram channel and in Twitter. What happened post that? Bank Nifty made a double bottom at 3,600. So initially it was 3,600 to 32,300. 1,700 points was completed, and again from 3,600 it made high of 3,200. 1,700 points completed. Yes, of course you can keep adding BNF in all the dips. So this is invalid, as once this X is taken out, until then it's BNF is buy in all the dips. You could check details of all our services in our website, Harmonic Traders Services. Do remember, the core secret of survival is to trade with small SL, and kindly stay indoor and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Take care, friends.